Self-watering seed starting container update. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Okay everybody, it's been like close to 3 weeks or a month that I did the self-watering container. So I just want to give you an update on the self-watering container and show you how it's doing. So this is the tomato plant right here. Tomato plant has grown quite big, so this is it. Let me just take a open this and show you how. Probably you can see from here, you can see the roots right in there towards the top of the bottle. But let me take it out and so that you can see exactly how it looks, how the roots are going in there. So pull this out. As you can see the roots. Root systems are just winding in there, and it's still feeding it. So I think it's growing enough for me to transplant it. It's gonna do better if I transplant it to a container or to the garden. I think it's time for me to transplant it because the roots are gonna keep winding in there, and it's not gonna might continue to just grow taller and taller, but it's not. I don't think it's gonna do better if I just continue leaving it in there, and it's time for me to transplant it. As you can see, the top of it, it looks awesome. And in here you can see some of the roots coming out. So when I transplant it, I'm gonna take out this top layer. Probably gonna transplant it to this, so that way all these sections are gonna be roots systems that are gonna help the tomato plant do better in the garden or in the container. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the self-watering system. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified on all other upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.